My name's Donnie Merrill. Welcome. We're in the kitchen of Skipjack Dining right here in Newark, Delaware. I am the chef and owner. Today I will be making you a pan-seared black sea bass with some delicata squash, some port-soaked cranberries, roasted apples, balsamic mushrooms. We're going to finish it with a little fresh arugula and basil, a little shot of marsala. We have a little olive oil. We have our black sea bass here that we've marked briefly. Keeping it healthy, we're just going to do a light dusting of sea salt and just a pinch of black pepper. Make sure our pan gets plenty hot. This is a delicata squash right here. Will be available for the next couple of months. Beautiful, sweet flavored squash. What I've done is I've taken this, I sliced it into rings. Little salt and pepper, little olive oil, and a little Parmesan cheese. So our pan now is nice and hot. Get into it so it's really nice when you crisp it up. We'll pull this out briefly. We'll throw it in the oven just for a minute. A little garlic in our pan, a little bit of mushroom. We'll deglaze briefly with a little bit of marsala wine. Add some roasted apples, some port-soaked cranberries, some fresh basil. I'm going to use a little bit of walnut oil, a hint of white balsamic, apple juice, squeeze of lemon. And we'll let that saute for a minute. Okay, so to plate our sea bass, we'll take our Parmesan roasted delicata squash first. Go ahead, put your rings right on the plate. We'll get our little mixture here of our apples and everything. I'm gonna put a little bit on, a little bit down first. Then get our nice crispy bass, put on top. And we'll finish with just a little bit more of the salad on top. And we're all done. You have crispy seared black sea bass over Parmesan roasted delicata squash with roasted apple, port cranberries, mushrooms, and a nice little apple and balsamic. Thank you very much.